today using this Australian timber oil. And what we're gonna do is blow it off. It's been on here for a few months, so it's nice and dry. And you can see the difference here. It makes a huge difference. So what I do, I was gonna do all the edges, as you can see, and then I was gonna come back with the paint sprayer, but it's just going on so easy with the roller that I just don't see a reason to use the sprayer. You know, I mean, it's just soaking it up. You know, you want to make sure you get a nice thick coat on there. And you know, for new builds, you want to let this, before you paint this, a lot of people, it's like an airplane or something, or helicopter. There he goes. But what I was saying is, you know, when you got a new build going on, a lot of people just put the new wood up and just go straight to staining it or painting it. But you don't really want to do that, because this lumber, this treated lumber, especially when you get it, it's wet on the inside. So, and if you paint it, it'll hold moisture in it, I think. And what I would do is just go straight to what I would do. I'm sorry, I had a brain fart there. I would get back to let it dry for about 2 weeks, and then paint it. Yeah, this stuff goes a long way too. Like, I've already done all this area, and I haven't even got into the still got a long ways to go, but we ain't been doing it but about an hour. I think we'll get the whole thing done today. I gotta come back and paint all this white. So I got the whole thing stained in a day. It only took me about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours. And I had to leave too, so, and come back. I gotta do all the railings white. But this part is gonna take a second coat. But all this looks great. And I may do a second coat on it just to be sure. This is a massive deck. Massive. But it looks really good. And I gotta come back and pressure wash all the railings and but that Cabot's works really good. It holds, and it's supposed to be good for a few years. And actually, earlier in the video, I said that you're supposed to let this wood dry out for 2 weeks, but I think it's more like 2 months. So, yep, it's all done. Might put a second coat on all of it. So. Dries really fast too. I was shocked. All right, we got the second coat on. It's all done. We got some touch-up work to do. Like little places like this, got touch up gutters and stuff. But that is the second coat, and this looks awesome. I mean, it is just awesome. The color is right, and now I'm gonna come back Monday and scrape all the railings and paint them white. Then we got to start painting the sides of the house. So, but it came out great. I'm really happy with it. So Just coated in good. Nice. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would, just give me a like and give me a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned. I got some more painting I'm gonna do. You can see the deck behind me. This is it. And just keep on watching and get more content. Be posted. All right, you guys have a good day. It's beautiful here in Myrtle Beach. Nice day. I'm right on the river too. So, see it? Boom. Looks great.